Given a square of sides 10 units, so I'm going to put the height in as 10. Base is also 10, but here I'm interested in splitting up into these different amounts, dp, pq, and qc. Now we're told that the line segments mean that the square is divided into 5 regions of equal area. So if I focus on this red triangle and the green triangle, then these have equal area. But here's the thing, they also have the same perpendicular height. The perpendicular height of a triangle that looks like this is quite clearly just the vertical. But when you end up drawing a triangle at an angle, it's still the same. That is the perpendicular height. And so because they have the same perpendicular height, what I'm trying to say is that if this here is x, then this here is also x. Now onto this more complicated shape. Okay, this is not a triangle, it's a quadrilateral. But what if I split it into two? Then suddenly there's a line of symmetry going down this square. So either side are with the same area, and this triangle has the same perpendicular height as well. It's just even more kind of um slanted, I suppose is the right word. So same perpendicular height of 10, and this base, therefore, because it's a half of the red and the green triangle, then we're going to get a half x for the base. Now, at this point, I'm just going to change it around. I'm going to say that the base is x, and then these are 2x. That just means I avoid fractions. You don't have to do that, but it will just make it a little bit easier. Add them up. 5x is going to equal 10, and therefore x is equal to 2. And we've worked out all these dimensions. Brilliant. So we've got 4, 4, and 2. Okay, and don't forget what we're actually trying to find, and that is QR. Actually, let me do that in a slightly different color. I'll do it in orange. So I'm trying to find this length. I know this length is 2, and by symmetry, I know this length is also 2. Here's a right angle, so I've managed to turn this problem into a Pythagoras problem. 2, 2, right angle. This side is going to be 2 squared plus 2 squared, square rooted, which is the square root of 8. You can additionally simplify that because the square root of 8 is actually the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. So my final answer would be to write it as 2 root 2.